The long SE, also known as the medial S or initial S, is an archaic form of the lowercase letter s. It replaced the single s, or one or both of the letters s in a double s apostrophe sequence. The long S is the basis of the first half of the grapheme of the German alphabet ligature letter S, which is known as the Eszett. The modern S letter form is known as the short, terminal, or round S. In typography, it is known as a type of swash letter, commonly referred to as a swash S. This list of rules for the long S is not exhaustive, and it applies only to books printed during the 17th and 18th centuries in English-speaking countries. Similar rules exist for other European languages. Otherwise, long S is used, ong, ubtitute. In handwriting, these rules do not apply. The long S is usually confined to preceding a round S, either in the middle or at the end of a word, for example, assure, Blee sings. The long S was derived from the Old Roman cursive medial S. When the distinction between majuscule and minuscule letter forms became established toward the end of the 8th century, it developed a more vertical form. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.